Hey, boys and girls, it's Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Super excited to be with you today doing another math game comparing numbers. This time it's called Shake, Spill, and Compare. I mean, it's pretty amazing. So, you are going to need your paper that says Shake, Spill, and Compare. Okay, it looks like this. Or maybe it's easier for you to see it down here. Okay? And what I want you to do is take it out of your math packet. So it says shake, spill, and compare. It says red counters, yellow counters, and it has a number path at the bottom. Okay? Take that out and you want to put it inside your dry erase sleeve like you did with the other game that you've played. Okay? So do that now. All right, and once you've done that, then come on back, all right? And it should look like mine. So, again, you want to make sure that it's inside. You want to push your hand in there like this, okay? And then you have that part ready, okay? Once you have that ready, come on back and I'll tell you what else you need, okay? All right, I'll see you in a minute. All right, boys and girls, so to play this game, all you need are your red and yellow counters that look like this. Okay, I'll pour them out of the bag for you. You should have 10 of, 10 of them. Okay, so make sure you have 10. And you need a cup. So I have a red cup. Okay, oh, there's already 10 in there. Huh, that's funny. I'll just pour those out. Here, I'll just take these off. So you need a cup. If you don't have a cup or you can't get to a cup, then just use your hands. Okay, but a cup is more fun. Just something you can put the counters in. So you want to put in 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so you only need 10. All right, 10 counters. If you have more in your bag, then just count out 10. So you have 10 counters in a cup, and then just your marker and your eraser. Okay? All right, so once you have all that, 10 counters in a cup, marker and eraser, then come back and I'll show you how to play. All right, very exciting. See you soon. Okay, boys and girls, so let's put our eraser and our marker away. And now I'm going to take my cup and I'm going to shake it up. Okay, that's called the shake part of the game. I'll show you what it looks like. So I take my cup and I shake, shake, shake. Okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to spill them onto the paper. All right? So I'll show you what that looks like. I'm going to spill them out. Shh. Whoa, one got away. All right, so all the red are going to go on this side because it says red counters. That word that starts with an R. Red. Okay, so don't once you've done it, once you've spilled them out, don't turn them around, okay? So all the yellows go on this side. And all the reds go on this side. All right, and you can arrange them however you want. I like to kind of organize them. Okay, so we have red and we have yellow. So now we want to write down how many we have. So on this side, we have, how many do we have? Can you show me a number of fingers? So show me, you should be showing me either, I'd say 5, 6, 7, or 8. Red counters. How many do you see? So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 red counters. So I'm going to write down 7 here. All right, and then over here, I see just 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to write down 3. All right, you don't have to do that right now, boys and girls. I'm showing you how to play the game so that you can play it after me. Okay, so which side has more? Because we are going to circle the number that is greater or more than the other number. Okay, that's what we're going to do. We're going to circle that number. So it looks to me like 7 is greater than 3. There's more red than yellow. and there's less yellow than red. Do you agree? Should I circle number 7? What if you're not sure? Well, I've given you a number path down here as well. So 3 would be here, and 7 is way up here. So 7 is a lot further because you start down here with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can see that 7 is definitely more than 3, and you can see it by looking at the counters. So I'm going to circle the 7. So the Reds won that round, right? The Reds had more. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, boys and girls, is I'm going to put the counters back into my cup, and I'm going to play again. All right, and I'll see what happens this time. So first I'm going to erase my board. So you always erase. And then let's see what happens now. So I'm going to shake it up. Okay, shake, 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 shake. And now I'm going to spill it out. And however they come out, I'm going to leave it like it is. I'm just going to organize them into red and yellow. Okay, here we go. Well, look at that one. It's like standing up. Oh, it goes to yellow. So let's put the yellow over here. We'll put the red over here. Oh, it looks like it's the opposite this time, isn't it? So look, over here, how many reds do we have? We have 1, 2, 3. And how many yellows do we have? Show me number of fingers. Same number as we had reds last time, so this time we have 7 yellows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which one is more? Well, we know from last time that 7 is more than 3, right? If 3 is here, 7's here. So I'm going to circle the 7 because that's greater or more than 3. Okay? All right. So I think you get the idea. Now, I'm going to do it one more time, and I'm going to show you what could happen. Okay? What could happen is this. I shake, 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 shake. I spill. Whoa, where did that one go? Runaway counter. Oh no. Okay, so let's pretend. Okay, let's pretend like it looks like this. This one's gonna go yellow. Actually, it might work out just fine. So I have red here and yellow here. Okay, so how many reds do I have? I have, let's put this down here. I have, show me number of fingers for number of reds. How many fingers to show number of reds? Is it 4, 5, or 6? I count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I would write down 5 here. And how many yellows? Oh, very interesting. Also 5. Also 5. So boys and girls, you can't circle anything because they're equal. 5 is not more than 5 or less than 5. It's the same as 5, right? 5 is 5. 5 is the same as 5. High five. Okay, so in that situation, it's a tie, right? Like in a game, if like the Patriots are playing, the football team, and the score is 21-21, it's the same. It's a tie. Nobody wins. Okay, so in this case, nothing to circle. And if you circle the 5 twice, you'll see, oh, look, 5 is the same as 5. Okay, so that's how you play the game. All right, why don't you shake and spill maybe, I don't know, 7 or 8 times. Okay, play for a little while, maybe like 15 minutes. And I think you'll start to get really good at comparing numbers and seeing which number is bigger or smaller. Now, boys and girls, if at some point you want to switch the game and you want to make the number with less the winner, that's okay. You can do that. Okay? Just circle the one that's less. So I'll do it real quick. All right, if you know what I'm talking about, you can pause the video and start playing. But if I shake and spill, all right, and I've got, let's see, 1, 2 yellows, 3. Oh, this is good. This is good. Okay. So I have, in this situation, I have 4 reds and 6 yellows. Okay, so you can see that I have more yellows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Over here I only have 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see it down here. 6, right, is further along than the 4, right, from the starting point. Okay, so in this case, I would say, oh, the one with less wins, so I would circle the 4. So you can decide which one's going to win, less or more. The way I'm teaching you is to do it the one that's more, but you can change it if you want at some point. Okay, just be clear about what you're doing. All right, boys and girls, have a lot of fun. Okay, and I'll see you soon. All right, be good, be kind, and do a good job at your math. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.